Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to set lock screen wallpaper in Samsung. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, you have to go to the setting. You have to press the setting. So you have to come down a little bit here. So you see your wallpaper, you have to press this one. So you have to press my wallpaper. So you can choose it from here which you like it. So I just press this one. So you have to press lock screen, second one, you have to press that one. So you have to set on lock screen, you have to press this one. So the lock screen has been set, so I will show you. See, it is already set now, so it is done now. So friends, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.